just a bit information about the X10 Beyondisms and slight a bit information about X5 Attommisms. So the X10 Beyondisms were DKIRTIMYOGNI, CENTAAENTUS, PARFENTAMUS, HUGEINHUGNUS, PLEXAANEXUS, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 1, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 2, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 3, black light, dark vacuum. In DKIRTIMYOGNI Beyondisms, Tikirti were males and Myogani were females. In CENTAAENTUS Beyondism, Centa were males and Entus were females. In PARFENTAMUS Beyondism, Parfen were males and Tamus were females. In HUGEINHUGNUS Beyondism, Hugein were males and Hugenus were females. In PLEXAANEXUS Beyondism, Plexa were males and Nexus were females. In ZZIGGOFFYRUS 1, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 2, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 3 Beyondisms, Ziggo were males and Phyrus were females. In blacklight Beyondism, black were males and light were females. In dark vacuum Beyondism, dark were males and vacuum were females. And in each Beyondism, they had multiple spheres and each sphere was distant from each other by the never-ending term. In DKIRTIMYOGNI Beyondism, each sphere was distant from each other for dm never-ending distance. In CENTAAENTUS Beyondism, each sphere in that Beyondism were distant from each other. The distance was CE never-ending. In PARFENTAMUS Beyondism, the distance was PF never-ending. In HUGEINHUGNUS Beyondism, the distance was HH never-ending. In PLEXAANEXUS, the distance was PN never-ending. In ZZIGGOFFYRUS 1, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 2, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 3 Beyondisms, the sphere was distant from each other by ZF never-ending distance. In black light Beyondism, it was BL never-ending distance. In dark vacuum Beyondism, it was DV never-ending distance. Now, they had a one DO over one sphere base. They were just like this current PANINIHEMINI Beyondism. They did not had like their own subvacuums, just like the PANINIHEMINI Beyondism. Each sphere has its own subvacuum and there one DO over one sphere but its own subvacuum. But the X10 Beyondisms never had their own subvacuums. Their spheres never had their own subvacuums. And each sphere, just like with or PANINIHEMINI spheres, they had Northpole Lawn-Terrace tower, surface forest, and Southpole ocean. And just like with PANINIHEMINI, one DO over one sphere. And just like with PANINIHEMINI, they were DO-ship based. But like with PANINIHEMINI, they were not DO conjunction based. But the PANINIHEMINI Beyondism of this current, it is DO conjunction based. But those Beyondisms like X10 Beyondisms, DKIRTIMYOGNI, CENTAAENTUS, PARFENTAMUS, HUGEINHUGNUS, PLEXAANEXUS, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 1, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 2, ZZIGGOFFYRUS 3, black light, dark vacuum, they did not have their DO conjunction based geometry. They had only geometry, and those Beyondism never had their own subvacuums. The spheres, but the spheres were so distant from each other, like I said, by the term of never ending, right? Okay, so this was just a bit of information about the X10 Beyondisms. Like, there is so much knowledge, but I give you so less information, and I will give you more information in the next video. And let's talk a slight about this X5 Attommisms. So the Attommisms consist of Darkism, Paraism, and COSMOISM. The Attommisms were the supreme, super, supra, extraordinary, ordinary atomisms. So, and each atomism had Darkism, PARAISM, COSMOISM, and then males and females were transformed into PANINIUNS and HEMINIUNS. Now the only atomism, or I mean there is no atomism even left now. There is only this last remaining cosmoism of the ordinary atomism, which is now no more. Only ordinary atomisms, cosmoism is left. Otherwise the darkism, paraism no longer exists. Okay. And yeah, I remember one thing about their locations. Where were they located? The beyond extent beyondisms, where they located. Okay, so DKIRTIMYOGNI Beyondism was located in a PANINIHEMINI spare's deep interior center hollow. And likewise, the CENTAAENTUS Beyondism was located in the DKIRTIMYOGNI Beyondism's deep interior center pocket. The PARFENTAMUSS Beyondism was located in CENTAAENTUS Beyondism's deep interior center pocket. So likewise this, each Beyondism was located in each Beyondism's deep interior center pocket. And those atomisms, the outermost atomism was supreme atomism, like I said, and it was located in the dark vacuum Beyondism's deep interior center pocket. So yeah, now this is so much less information I have given you right now, but more videos will surely come. And I apologize for fumble upon words, because I have this habit of always fumbling upon words, but it's okay. I hope you get it what my point is, and I hope you understand a bit at least of what I am trying to say, and what we are placing is the beyond knowledge which you have never ever heard before.